and it contains a lot of vitamins that our skin cells need. Happy Sunday, guys. If today's your first time of seeing this video, you're highly welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. In today's video, guys, I have a beautiful remedy for you guys. This remedy will help you to exfoliate your skin. You can use this remedy if you're the type of person that you have a sensitive face. You can't use it to your face. Like me, I don't use it for my face. I only use it to exfoliate my back, my body. Okay, beautiful ladies, you could be after 2 or after 3, or you are single pretty ladies. It's good for us once in a while, maybe twice or 3 times, or maybe twice or 3 times in a month, to exfoliate our skin, just to general wash. So I normally use this remedy. It's really work well for me, especially now we are getting to summer. So guys, I would like to share this remedy for you. This remedy work well. Okay, so it's around this corner. We can't wait to wear our turtleneck or turtleneck. Guys, you know what I'm trying to say. If this my remedy help you guys, you know one thing, share it with your friends, with your neighbor, with your party. Help your girls now to grow my channel. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button, click the notification button, so in case if I have any beautiful remedy, guys, you are going to be the first person, guys, to be notified. Keep helping me grow my channel for me, guys. Keep subscribing. Share video, share it with friends, guys. So guys, I'll go straight now. So we're going to demonstrate. I hope this remedy will help you guys. If this remedy help you, share the video, subscribe to my channel, leave good comments. I love you guys. The first ingredient we are going to be using coffee. So we need 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. So you need a fresh ground coffee. So I decided to use the one that they've already blended because of the texture of my own skin. Okay, if you scrub your body with coffee, the caffeine inside this coffee, it acts as a stimulant, which improves the circulation of blood that move through your vein. So that is why we are going to be using this. In case if you guys do not know, the antioxidants found in coffee are good for the skin. It can instantly give your glowing, fresh and useful skin. It removes dead skin cell. Apply a coffee with the ingredients I'm going to be showing you. It will help you to get rid of some spots, freckles, fine lines and wrinkles. Basically, the antioxidant property helps to generate new skin cells. It reduces puffiness. If you are going to be massage this around your face, it's good to go. It will help you with the ingredients I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, because of the caffeine present in the coffee restricts the blood vessel, and the scrub out as a stimulant that give you less tireless look eyes. It improves the texture of your skin. It reduces the appearance of cellulite. Using coffee scrub if you want to reduce the appearance of cellulite. This is possible because of coffee is a diuretic that dehydrates your body. So when you apply a coffee scrub, the fat cells close to your skin surface tight to string size. It adds a glowing to your skin. Okay, if you are looking for a glowing skin or you are looking for a glowing complexion, apply a coffee scrub on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with a lukewarm water. Okay. So guys, the second ingredient we're going to be using orange. Orange contains vitamin C that keep our skin useful. It's amazing for hydrating and as natural fruits. Okay, so the ultimate scrub to leave the skin hydrating, healthy and glow. So we're gonna be using orange. So I'm going to be cutting this orange into two. So we're going to use the quarter of the orange here that I'm showing you. Guys, please follow my instruction. Just have patience, exercise patience and follow the instruction and you will see a good result. So I'm going to be apply Graceline. You need a drop of Graceline. Okay guys, so this is how I make it happen. So anywhere that you know you want to work on, I have to remove my wash. So we are going to you have to squeeze a little water out from the orange. You can see, and you start using it to scrub your body. Anywhere you want the glow to happen, you continue. Make sure you get a fresh orange, the one with a lot of juice. So you need the juice as well, and you continue to squeeze it a little by little. And it contains a lot of vitamins that our skin cells need. And the coffee, because of the caffeine, it helps us to get rid of dry cells as well. And it allows your skin to glow smoothly, radiance, and get rid of any unwanted oil. Going to the beach, if you have anywhere you want to go, try to use a coffee scrub with orange to exfoliate the skin before going. You will see amazing results. Your skin, your body will be glowing, sparkling like a diamond. You continue, and it helps you to get rid of any dark circle, white pores, open white pores, tight it for you, and you continue guys for the better result. Please guys, if this really helped you, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share my video for your friends, for your neighbor. So guys, you leave your body, make sure you do it when you are in the bathroom, when you're about to bath, and you leave your body there for 15 minutes and you rinse your body. You don't need any soap. You don't need soap, just ordinary water, and apply the moisturizer to your skin for the better result. So I will go now to rinse my skin. I'll be right back. So guys, you can see the difference after washing my skin.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.